Good morning, class. As yesterday we have completed with chapter 6, The Tiger's Trick Part 1 from Read a Book, and I hope the chapter is clear to all of you. As today we are going to start with the exercises of chapter 6 in Read a Book. Before starting the exercises, now let me give you a short summary of the chapter The Tiger Tricks Part 1. In this chapter, the tiger was caught in a trap. That means the tiger was caught in a cage and he was asking for help from anyone who could open the cage. The villager was passing through the villager was passing from there. The tiger asked for help from the villager. The villager said that I will not open you because after opening you will eat me. The tiger said, no, I will not eat you, but even I could be forever grateful to you and would serve you as a slave. After listening to this, the villager's heart was full of sorrow. He opened the cage. After opening the cage, the tiger said, I will eat you because I am so hungry as I've got no food in the cage. The villager begged, but the tiger didn't listen to it. First, the villager went to the peepal tree. Then the villager went to the buffalo. Then the villager went to the hen. And after that, the jackal called the villager who didn't understand what the villager was saying. Here the story ends. Now let us begin with the exercises. We are going to do two exercises today. That first one is true and false, and we have been given some of the similes from the boxes. You have to fill in the similes fill in the blanks. Now let us begin with the exercises in notebook. Now I hope chapter 6, The Tiger's Trick Part 1 is clear to all of you. Now today we are going to start with the exercises which are being given at the back of chapter 6. This exercise is on page number 34. Before starting the exercises in a notebook, what you all have to do is, first of all, you have to fill in the index. Put the serial number 16, put today's date. Chapter 6, The Tiger's Trick, Part 1 from Reader Book. Write Reader Book make a bracket and write in that only. Count your number of page from which you are starting and write that number of page over here. Now, after completing your index, let us move to the exercises. Now, first of all, put today's date, classwork, chapter 6, Reader Book, The Tiger's Trick, Part 1. First, write T for true and F for false. In this, you have to write T if the statements are true and write F if the statements are false for these statements. Now, first one is, the villager was a wealthy man. No, the villager was not a wealthy man because when he was in struggle time, he was asking each and everyone for help. So, we have to write here false because villager was not a wealthy man over here. Now, B1 is, the villager felt sad for the tiger. Yes, the villager felt sad for the tiger because when the tiger said that he would be forever grateful to the villager and would serve him as a slave, the villager heart was full of sorrow. After that, he opened the cage. So this statement is true. C1 is, the villager gave the tiger some food. The villager gave the tiger some food to eat. No, because the tiger was wanting the villager to, and the tiger wanted to eat the villager. He didn't wanted some food because after getting out from that cage, the tiger said, I am so hungry and there's no one who could help me to not eat you. And the tiger wanted to eat the villager only. So this statement is false. So write false over here. D1 is the tree, the buffalo and the red hen did not feel sorry for the villager. Did they feel? Yes, they felt sorry for the villager. They didn't feel sorry for the villager. This statement is true because when the villager went to the tree, the buffalo and the red hen, first of all, the tree said that I am in a use to give shade to all the people who pass through me. The buffalo said, when I give milk to the people, they use me, and when I don't give milk to the people, they serve me garbage to eat. And the red hen said, when I'm useful. Red hen said, when I lay eggs, I am useful to both rich and poor people. And when I don't, and I know that when I don't lay eggs, people are going to cook me in a pot for someone's tasty dinner, and I'm no more useful to them. Now I hope this exercise is clear to all of you. What you all are going to do is, first of all, write the heading using black pen and write all the sentences using blue pen and the answers using black pen only. Now let us go through the revision of this. First one is, the villager was a wealthy man. False. The villager felt sad for the tiger. True. The villager gave the tiger some food. False. G1 is, the tree, the buffalo and the red hen did not feel sorry for the villager. True. Now here we complete with this first exercise. Now in the second exercise, what you all have to do is, now complete the similes with words from the box. We have been given a box over here in which we have been given some of the options: a rock, butter, gold, snow, a fox. The options are these: a rock, butter, gold, snow and a fox. And we have been given some of the blanks over here. You have to fill all these blanks using these options only. So the first one is, as white as. What is white? White as snow. So as white as snow. Right over here, snow. Second one is, as soft as. What is as soft as? Butter. So the answer for this over here, butter. C1 is, as solid as. As solid as means which cannot be broken. So as solid as a rock. We have used this one. We have used snow. And right now we are using a rock. Solid as a rock. Now fourth one is, as shiny as. Which shines as? Shining as a gold. So right over here, gold. As clever as. Clever as a fox only. So right over here, a fox. Now here we complete with this exercise also. With the exercise second also. And what you all have to do is, copy the heading using black pen only and write all the sentences. These sentences are small. So copy all the sentences using blue pen and write the answers using black pen. After completing this, make a line at the end. You can do these two exercises in a single page only. Continue after completing the first exercise, continue with the second exercise. Now homework for you all is to revise chapter 8 for revision. Thank you.